Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this Detiblue cushion, seat cushion for like an office chair or something. Comes in a nice like vacuum sealed package there. Right. Oh, expanded rather quickly. All right, so check that out. Nice cushiony, high density foam here. We featured this mesh top, so it looks nice and breathable, if you can see that. And in the bottom, we have the little silicone beads all over on here, so it's not gonna slide around very easily. Also, this has a zipper here, so this is removable if you need to wash the outside, so that is nice. That is some thick foam there, really high density foam. Okay, so let's test it out here on the chair. Okay, just place that on there. I'm gonna sit up a little higher, obviously. Oh, that's actually pretty comfortable. This chair is already super comfortable, so I sit a little bit higher. But if you were to take this, lots of times you go to events and they have, you know, the folding chairs or whatever, and those really don't have a lot of cushion. Or you go to like a stadium, watch a kid's ball game or something like that. Something like this, just set it down there on the benches or whatever, and you're gonna have be able to sit a lot more comfortably for a lot longer time here. Super lightweight, and yeah, quite nice here. I believe this would be, yeah, it's interesting. It looks like this almost like a, it's hard to describe. I can't tell if those are holes in here or if it's just like the pattern here. It looks like there's holes. There's some kind of a mesh there. It should be fairly breathable. Very comfortable, very supportive, and yeah, just a great idea if you need some extra cushion there. So anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this review. Hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I will see you all next time.